this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the KastKing Karryall. You know, it's a fishing sling tackle bag, basically. So it's kind of like a backpack tackle bag that's just kind of like a sling that goes around, and you can kind of clip it on there. And what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to kind of go over the little tags that came on it. This right here is what was attached to it. I have been using this. I've already done a couple of fishing trips with it, and that's why it's, you know, all stuff full of stuff right here. But let's just kind of like go over the tags real quick. It's a multifunctional fishing sling tackle bag. It's made out of Oxford cloth, abrasion resistant, cold resistant, and tear resistant. This material is tough, by the way. It's lined with a PVC coated material to keep from leaking, so it can take basic splashes and rain and stuff like that. Pretty much everything you can think of as far as a fishing tackle backpack, this has it. And what it also has is that MOLLE system, and I always like that MOLLE system where you can connect a lot of different things to this outside here. And it also has this front pocket for like things like your cell phone or something. That's what I keep in it, is a cell phone in the front pocket, and like a charger, a power bank for my phone and stuff like that. But yeah, enough talking about this thing. Let's go ahead and let's look and see. So just to tell you what you get with it, you don't get these pliers and all this. This is my stuff. What you're going to get when you order this, you're going to get the bag. You're going to get these two things. They actually included, I have not used these because I already have a lot of boxes of, especially these KastKing boxes. These are the 3600 boxes. Pretty good boxes, you know, they're the basic top boxes, but I love the fact that KastKing actually includes these boxes. They have a decent little latch system there, a little bit of measuring from 1 to 9 right across there. Let me go over how I have this thing packed out. Number one, I love the fact that they have a pliers like holder right here. These are the KastKing pliers. I actually highly recommend these pliers. These things are awesome, by the way. So, but the pliers don't come with it, but the holder right here does, and you can take this off if you need to. So that's always good to have. There is so many attachment points on this backpack. It is absolutely crazy. But looking at this, you got a pocket here, and down in here I carry like some saw baits. I haven't even used these yet, the power baits. I need to use those. So I have those right there, and in this front pocket you have, this is where I keep my power bank, some extra line. I got some extra braided line in there, and I think that's all I got down in there. You got a front pocket here. You've got this MOLLE strap, so that all of this where you can hook different things to. You've got a little small pocket up here that you could keep, I think even a cell phone will fit in there. Maybe, nope, your cell phone's not gonna go in there, but you could easily put your wallet and your keys and stuff in there, that's for sure. Water bottle holders on both sides. I've got the Camelback, you know, insulated bottle, that's on that side. And on this side, you know, you could put another water bottle, or you could put some more fishing gear. This is always cool. I always run I like having some sort of carabiner with me, so I just have an extra carabiner if I have to hook it into a tree or something, maybe hook it up to something. And there's a little handle right here for hanging it up. More hooks here, more hooks there, and then you got a zipper pocket here, and this is what I like. Check this out. You got a zipper pocket here, and you know what I got in there? My fishing license. So there's my fishing license down inside there. So all the states that I fish, I keep my fishing license right there in the front. And then right here is the good pocket where you could put like, that's my phone. That's called the hang-on. It's like a koala hang-on that my phone goes on. But you can also, this is a great pocket for cell phones. Check that out. KastKing logo on the front, but look at this. So you see that fuzzy part there? This is always cool. Oh, another big pocket there. But there's something else. Let me show you what comes with this. You get with it, there's my little repeller scissors. Look at this. I've got patches that I use. This patch come with it. So this patch was on it. The good old American flag patch was on it like that, and underneath is the KastKing logo. But you know what? I like my own little patches. I've got that patch right there, and this one right here for Send It. Bad decisions make good stories. Pretty much the story of my life. But yeah, that's awesome on that. And let's see, anything else on the sling? Oh, what it does, so it actually has two hooks. One hook's right there, and then one goes around and hooks right there. You've seen the little intro how I had it hooked on my back while I was walking. This is in the front, and this is kind of like around your waist. So it's not just a sling, it's a pretty sturdy sling, but there's actually something else going on. You see there's a zipper there. See this padding right here? This is very breathable padding. But check out this zipper. Look at that, open that up, and you see what I have down in here? I've got a full tablet down in here. So if you got a tablet like this, this is great for apps, using GPS, maps, whatever. It's great that it has that option. You could put a small laptop, but I run a little 12-inch tablet down here, the Digi tablet. I don't know, I would use this bag for a wide variety of things. By the way, this is not really meant as a tactical backpack per se, but looking at it, it actually kind of has that look. It's got reflective striping right here that does reflect at night. So if you had this on, and I like how sturdy and durable this thing feels all around. It's that Oxford kind of tear resistant waterproof nylon that's all over it there. When you open it up, look at this. You can have up to 4, maybe 5 boxes in here. And here's what I have in here. I have a couple of there's my stick baits, because I was doing a lot of pond fishing, so that's why I did a lot of my top waters there. I just kind of like threw a jig and some bait down in here. Oh, check this out. That's right. I always keep some sort of little first aid kit on me. So you got another pocket that's down in there, and that's where my first aid kit stays. I think I had up to 5 boxes in here, 5 tackle boxes down in this thing. So I was very impressed on how much. You can see how much it holds. And if I took that first aid kit out, I could hold even more, because I got enough room for at least 2 more. So that'd be 5 boxes down in there. So yeah, I think this is something I'll be using on all of my kind of like walk-in fishing trips. I've been needing some sort of tackle bag or box or something that I like to carry. I hate carrying a tackle box. I like a bag that I could throw over my shoulders right there and have everything with me. I do a lot of kayak fishing, but then when I'm not kayak fishing, I like grabbing a couple of rods, a backpack full of baits and lures, go out to a little pond or lake or something like that, and this works perfect. I highly recommend this. I will leave links below on everything you see in this video, all my gear and things that I use, and the rods that I used when I was out fishing on this. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the KastKing Karryall. See you all in the next video.